Chemists produce synthetic flavorings such as smoky bacon and even chocolate. Meaty flavors come from a simple heterocycles such as alkyl pyrazines present in coffee as well as roast meat and furanol originally found in pineapples. Compounds such as coralone and maltol give caramel and meaty flavors. Mixtures of these other synthetic compounds can be turned to taste like roasted foods and fresh bread to coffee and barbecued meat. Some flavoring compounds also perfume and may also be used intermediate making other compound. Vanillin is the main component of flavor of vanilla, but is a manufactured on a large scale for many other uses too. And alkyl pyrazine coffee from it. Now and next we are going to uh, to understand the structures of those compounds, and simply drawing it, okay. And after that, food chemistry includes much larger scale items than flavors, sweeteners such as sugar itself as a isolated plants on an enormous scale. Grows on P3, but other sweeteners such as saccharin, discovered in 1879, and aspartame, 1965, are made on sizable scale. Aspartame is the compound of two of natural amino acids present in all living things, and over 10,000 tons per annum made by Nutra Sweet Company. So exactly, in the one of our great revolution of modern life has been expected that humans will sure survive diseases because of fixedly designed treatment. In the developed world, people live to old ages because infection used to which used to kill now can be cured kept at bay. Antibiotics are our defense against bacteria, preventing them from multiplying. One of the most successful of these are vacuum amomycillin, which is developed by Smith Kline, the four-member ring of the heart of the molecule of the beta lactam, which target the disease-causing bacteria. Medicinal chemists also protect us from the insidious threat of viruses, of which use the body's own biochemistry to replicate. Tamiflu is a line of defense against uh, ever present danger of a flu epidemic. And while retinivir is used as in one of the most advanced drugs designed to prevent replication of HIV, to slow down prevent onset of AIDS. So, best-selling current drugs are largely designed to address the human body's own failing. Sales of Liptor, Nexium both topped 5 billion in 2009, and figures which serve to illustrate financial scale of developing safe and effective new treatment. Lipitor is one of the class of drugs known as statins, widely prescribed to control cholesterol level in older people. Nexium is a proton pump inhibitor which works to reduce peptic duodenal ulcers. Cells of Gleevec are far smaller, but to those suffering from certain cancer, leukemia, it is can be a lifesaver. You cannot maintain our present high density of population in developed world, nor deal with the malnutrition in the developing world unless we preserve our food supply from attacks by insects and fungi and from competition by weeds. The world market of agrochemicals produced by multinational such as Bayer Crop Science and Syngenta is over 10 billion per annum, divided between herbicides, fungicides and insecticides. Many of the early agrochemicals were phased out as they were persistent environmental pollutants. Modern agrochemicals have to pass stringent environment safety tests. The most famous modern insecticides are modeled on the plant derived phthalate, stabilized against degradation in sunlight by chemical modification and targeted to specific insects and crops. Decamethrin has a safety factor is increasing 10,000 for mustard beetles, over mammals can be applied at only 10 grams per hectare and leaves no significant environmental residue. As we learn more chemistry, you will appreciate remarkably it is to nature should produce the three-member rings in this compound that chemists should use to them in a bulk compounds to spread on crops and field. Even more remarkable in some ways, fungicides based on five-member rings, three nitrogen triazole ring. This compound inhibit the enzyme present in fungi but not in plants or animals. Fungal diseases are real threat, as in iris potato famine of 19th century. The various fungal blights, blotches, rots, rust, smarts, and midways can overwhelm any crop in a short time. Thank you. This completed all the organic chemistry which is related to industries. So next video we are going to understand the structures of the uh, different compounds to make chemistry more interesting. Thank you so much for watching.